DIY home staging hacks to sell your home fast with the top dollar in Greenville and Winterville, North Carolina.
When we're talking about selling your home fast, it is exciting, right? And it can also be stressful, but we want to make sure that buyers come to your house and they fall in love with it the moment they step inside the door. And this is where home staging comes in, because an empty house can feel cold. A warm house will make people want to buy the home. 82% of buyers agents say that staging a home that is staged helps clients visualize their properties better. And this means that if you already have property, you've already been living there, this does not have to cause you pain. It doesn't even have to cause you money. So we're going to give you these 10 DIY steps to make sure that your home is staged properly so we can get the most money for you.
This 10 step really help you to get the house sold with the most money based on the research that NAR did in the past couple of years. The first thing is decluttering and depersonalizing. Less is more, basically what we say. Here is clearing the clutter is the most important things, because you don't want it to show your house in the best way to the people that they are interested when it's cluttered. Therefore, we need to pack away any family photos because they wanted to see themselves, knickknacks and personal decor. And also we wanted to clear off the kitchen counter, desk, bathroom thing. This is super important. And of course, organizing the closet. This is help the home buyer to can imagine themselves in your house.
The second thing is we're going to deep clean. Yes, you might have to get a maid or a deep cleaner involved, because a home buyer is going to see that you care about the home or not because of its cleanliness. And I've walked in homes with buyers and I've seen them not buy the home because it seemed dirty. So we want to make sure we are shampooing the carpets, cleaning the grout, cleaning the kitchen, dusting all the fixtures, cleaning the baseboard, scrubbing the cabinets, making sure the appliances shine, making sure our windows are clean, pressure washing the exterior, because people notice if this home has problems and they appreciate a spotless home.
Exactly. The next thing that is super important, pass the sniff test. This is so sometimes bad. Sometimes when you wanted to enter a house and right away when you open the door, something hit your face. That smell. No, therefore really is this turns off completely buyers.
Absolutely.
No, and you wanted to get rid of any of the pet odors, mildew, lingering food smells in the house. And the best way to do it, at least light a candle, bake a nice cookie that smell good in your house, and also diffuse essential oils like a lavender or eucalyptus that helps you to have a welcoming scent when the people just open the door and come into your house.
The next thing is light. Light is always good. When you walk into a home, make sure this home that you're trying to sell is bright and cheerful. I'm not telling you color, I'm telling you we need light. Open all the curtains, open all the blinds. Let the light shine in from outside. Get rid of all the mismatched displaced bulbs or the bulbs that don't work, and make sure everything is clean and clear. And if there is a dark spot in your room, we need to add a lamp so people can just feel light. Brighter homes feel bigger and more inviting. And I'll tell you a funny story real quick. I was selling a home once. The buyers hadn't arrived. It was the buyer's agent in the situation. I ran through the house, turned all the lights on. The seller in themselves got onto this ringtone with me. It was like, "Why did you turn all my lights on?" I never turn all the lights on, turn it off. I said, "Look, I'm selling the home. I will make sure I turn everything off once I leave, but my buyers need to see it with light." And you know what? My buyers bought that home simply for turning on the lights.
Exactly. Therefore, the next thing is a fresh paint. And the fresh coat of the neutral paint, like agreeable gray, makes the home like feel brand new. And it's so important because choosing these light neutral colors helps you to shine the house, to show them better to to home buyers that coming. And basically you need to touch up scuffs, dents or outdated the colors in the house, and also refresh the baseboard and doors. This is the best way to make sure your house is ready to get sold.
Next thing we're talking about is plants, life, flowers, food. Now that the home is spotless, we have to make the house feel warm and inviting. Having a fresh bowl of fruit on the kitchen table brings instant color, brings instant life. Potted plants throughout the house, fresh flowers in certain areas, they also help bring warmth into the house. And also we want to make sure our front yard is perfect. Landscaping is good because curb appeal absolutely matters. Flowers, plants, those all matter.
Exactly. The next thing that is important is number 7, which is arranging your furniture. Why you wanted to arrange the furniture? Because you wanted to create a flow. And this is good for each rooms because you want to make sure there's enough space for people that move throughout your house. Look at your bedroom, look at your living room, look at your master bedroom, and make sure they can imagine themselves and their family in your house. The best thing is removing bulky or extra furniture in the house. You can put it in the garage, for example, if you are not using it or you wanted to best way show that house to the home buyers. Arranging seating to create a conversation areas that they wanted to decide. They're gonna sit for a second and look at your house and say, oh, I can imagine and see myself in your house. And make the rooms feel spacious and easy to move.
The next thing we're going to talk about is setting the table. Like we're going to have a dinner party. Model homes always have a perfectly set table. Why? Because it creates warmth, it creates inviting, it makes people want to sit down. If they want to sit down, it's already a good feeling. So having simple placemats, napkins, a centerpiece, candles even. You can create an elegant, simple scene that people want to actually stay. And if they want to stay, they want to buy.
Exactly. And of course, number 9 is upgrading your linens. Why? Because you wanted to make it luxurious. New bedding, towels, blankets makes your home feel fresh and cozy. And of course, you can use white or neutral colors for create a spa-like feeling when they enter your house. Add fluffy pillow and also neatly folded towels in your bathroom, and keep the beds made and bathroom spotless. That is how you can sell that house with the top
Number
dollars.
10, the last one we're going to talk about is going to fix the small repairs. Minor repairs will push people away. So if there is a leaking faucet, a sticky door, chipped paint, we need to fix these things. Make sure that all the cabinet handles are tightened. So if they've gotten loose from just being pulled every single day, just tighten them up with the screw. Replace the broken fixtures because a well-maintained home is always going to sell faster.
Exactly. And bonus tip is here. And we wanted to talk about this bonus as a number 11. Don't do it alone, please. Please always get an expert help. Here we are, Alan Victoria Pinder, real estate agent professional. We have a guide here for you in the description below. Please look at that, how we can help you, even with the ideas of the staging your home to get the top dollar for you. And don't forget to watch all of our playlists here. We love to help you. Don't forget to call us at 252-327-3357. And of course, subscribe in our channel. See you next time and talk to you soon.